Hello, I'm Dr. Shilpa Kava, consultant, obstetrician, gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon, and cosmetic gynecologist working at Cloudnine Hospitals, Sarjapur Road and Bellandur, Bangalore. So, hormonal imbalance, something that we commonly hear nowadays. Now, what is this? Basically, whenever we do not lead healthy lifestyle, which includes both diet and exercise, there is an imbalance of the normal hormones that are supposed to be in the body, and due to this imbalance, there can be certain other signs that could develop. In a lady, there could be irregular periods, there could be acne, also hair growth in unwanted areas of the body, hair loss on the scalp. These are all the common symptoms of hormonal imbalance. So if any of these are there, it suggests that possibly you have to go in for a checkup with your doctor. A hormonal analysis will be done and necessary measures will be taken to correct them.